Hey everyone, welcome back to Speak English Channel. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We're so happy you're here.
This is the place for friendly, easy English. No stress, no complicated rules, just the English you can actually use.
Exactly. So let's start with a question. Have you ever been in this situation? You see someone you know, you want to say something, but you freeze for a second. Your mind is empty. What do I say? How do I start?
Yes, that moment. It happens to everyone, I promise. You think, do I say hello? Hi? How are you? It feels a little scary.
So today, we're going to fix that. We're going to make those first moments easy and friendly. We're talking about the absolute best ways to start a conversation in English.
We'll give you simple phrases, show you how to use them, and make you feel confident. So the next time you see someone, you'll know just what to say.
And we'll do it all through a simple, relaxed conversation, just like friends chatting. So get comfortable and let's get started.
Okay, Paul, let's pretend. I see you at the coffee shop. We know each other a little, from class maybe. What's the very first thing I should say?
Well, the easiest, most common thing is just hi or hello. It's simple, it's friendly, and it works for anyone.
Hi. Perfect. And then, almost always, we add one more thing. We say, Hi, how are you? It's like a two-part start. Hi to get their attention, and how are you to start the conversation.
Right. But here's something important. How are you is often a greeting, not a real question about your health. The other person will usually just say, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Yes, it's like a polite ping pong. You say it, they say it back. So let's try. Paul, you be you. I'll walk up. Oh, hi, Paul.
Hey, Emily, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Busy, but good.
See? Easy. But Paul, what if I want to sound a little more casual, more friendly?
Then you can use hey instead of hi. Hey is very common with friends. Or you can say, how's it going? It means the same as how are you, but it's more relaxed.
Let's try that one. Hey, Paul, how's it going?
Hey, it's going well. How about you?
Not bad. Just getting some coffee.
Nice. So, hi, how are you is perfect for most situations. And hey, how's it going is great for friends in casual times.
But what about in the morning or the evening? Are there special words?
Good question. Yes. In the morning, we often say good morning. In the afternoon, good afternoon. And in the evening, good evening.
Good night is different, right? We don't use that to start a conversation.
Correct. Good night is only for saying goodbye at night or before someone goes to sleep. So for a greeting in the evening, use good evening.
Let's practice a morning meeting. Good morning, Paul.
Good morning, Emily. You're here early.
I am. I have a lot to do today.
Okay, so we have greetings. But Emily, after how are you, sometimes there's a little silence. What do we say next?
Ah, the next step. This is where we make small talk. Small talk is light conversation about simple, safe topics. It's not about big ideas. It's about connecting.
The weather is the most famous topic for small talk. It's safe. Everyone experiences it.
So I could say, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? Or it's really cold today.
And I can agree. Yes, it is. Or, I know, I need a warmer coat. Then maybe I can ask a related question. Are you walking far in this cold?
Exactly. Another great topic is the situation you are both in. For example, if we are at the coffee shop, I can say, the coffee here is really good, right?
Or, it's always so busy in the morning. See, we talk about what is happening right now. It's easy and natural.
Let's put it all together. A full, simple start. from the beginning. Hi, Paul.
Oh, hey, Emily. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. How are you?
Pretty good. Just waiting for my coffee.
Yeah, the line is long today.
It is. I think everyone needs coffee this morning.
I know I do. Well, it was nice to see you.
You too. Have a good day.
You too. See you later.
Bye.
C. Complete and friendly and simple interaction. No big stress.
Now, let's talk about a common worry. What if someone says, "How are you?" and I want to say more than just, "I'm good"? What if I'm tired or really happy?
You can say a little more. It's okay. Instead of I'm good, you can say I'm a bit tired today, but I'm okay. Or I'm actually really good. I had a great weekend. Just keep it short and positive.
So, you could say, "How are you, Paul?"
I'm good, thanks. A little tired. I was studying last night, but I'm good. How about you?
That's perfect. It's honest, it's friendly, and it gives me something to ask about. I could say, "Oh, what were you studying?"
And now the conversation is growing naturally. It starts with a greeting, moves to small talk, and then you can ask simple follow-up questions.
Speaking of questions, what are some good, simple follow-up questions after "How are you?"
Questions about their day are always safe. How's your day going so far? Or what are you up to today? That means, what are your plans?
Or, if you know they were doing something, you can ask about it. "How was your class yesterday?" Or, "Did you have a good weekend?"
Just remember to listen to their answer. If they say, I'm going shopping later, you can say, oh, nice. Do you need to buy anything special? Keep it light.
Let's practice a longer conversation with follow-up questions. We'll go slow.
Good morning, Paul.
"Morning, Emily. How's it going?"
It's going well. How was your weekend?
"It was good, thanks. I just relaxed at home. It was nice."
That sounds perfect. Sometimes a quiet weekend is best.
"It is. How about you? What did you do?"
I visited my sister. We had lunch together.
"Oh, that's nice. Well, I have to go to class now."
Okay, it was good talking to you.
"You too. See you later."
See you.
That felt very natural, right? We used a greeting, asked about the weekend, listened, asked another question, and then said a friendly goodbye.
Now, we've talked about when you know the person. But Paul, what about when you meet someone for the first time? That's even scarier for many learners.
It is, but the ideas are similar. You start with hello or hi, then you usually say, "It's nice to meet you." That's the key phrase for first meetings.
And the other person will say, it's nice to meet you too. Then you can use small talk. A great topic for first meetings is asking, where are you from? Or what do you do? Meaning, what is your job or your study?
Let's show you. Emily, pretend we're meeting at an English club for the first time. "Hello, I'm Paul."
Hi, Paul. I'm Emily. It's nice to meet you.
"It's nice to meet you too. Are you new to the English club?"
Yes, this is my first time. It seems really friendly.
"It is. Everyone is very nice. So where are you from, Emily?"
I'm from Brazil. And you?
"I'm from here, from the city. Welcome."
Thank you.
See? Simple. Introduce yourself, say "nice to meet you," and ask easy, friendly questions.
Now let's talk about endings. How do you finish a conversation nicely?
It's just as important as the start. You don't want to just walk away. You give a small signal that the conversation is ending.
You can say, well, it was nice talking to you, or it was good to see you.
Then you say goodbye. The most common are "Bye," "See you later," or "Have a good day."
Take care is also very friendly. Let's practice a full end to our coffee shop talk.
I think everyone needs coffee this morning.
I know I do. Well, my coffee is ready. It was really nice talking to you, Paul.
You too, Emily. Have a great day.
Thanks. You too. See you later.
Bye.
Smooth and polite, right?
Now, we want you to practice with us. We'll say a line, and we'll leave a space for you to say the answer out loud. Don't worry about being perfect. Just try. Ready, Emily?
Ready. Okay, you start. You see me, say hi, and ask how I am. Good. Now I'll respond. Hi, I'm good, thanks. How are you? Great. Now let's try small talk. I say, it's very cold today. You agree with me. Say, yes, it is. Perfect. Now an ending. I say, well, I have to go to class. You say, okay, it was nice talking to you. See you later. Wonderful. You did it. Practice these short exchanges often. You can even talk to yourself in the mirror. It really helps.
Before we finish, let's go over the golden rules for starting a conversation in English.
Rule 1. Keep it simple. Hi, hello, how are you? Are your best friends. You don't need complicated sentences.
Rule 2, use small talk. Talk about the weather, the place you are in, or a simple question about their day. It's a bridge to more conversation.
Rule 3. Listen and ask a follow-up question. If they say, I'm going shopping, you can ask, what are you looking for? This shows you are interested.
Rule 4, end clearly and friendly. Say, it was nice talking to you, and then goodbye, see you later, or have a good day.
Remember, everyone feels a little nervous sometimes. The person you are talking to is probably just happy to talk to you. So take a deep breath, smile, and use these simple phrases.
You've got this. A little practice every day makes a huge difference.
Thank you so much for learning with us today at Speak English channel. If this video was helpful, please let us know by giving it a thumbs up.
And subscribe to our channel for more simple, friendly English lessons every week.
In the comments, tell us, what is your favorite way to say hello in English? Or practice by writing a short conversation starter.
We love reading your comments. Thanks for watching and keep up the amazing work.
Bye for now.
See you next time.